If you've noticed that your LiftMaster or Chamberlain garage door keypad isn't functioning the way that it probably should, it may be time to change the battery. This is a really easy fix. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. First, open up the keypad, and you'll see this little mark right here. We're gonna take our flathead screwdriver and we're just gonna twist it until that pops open. We'll pull down on the little cover and that reveals your battery. So you can also use your flathead to pull that out. Typically these are gonna be 9-volt batteries. All you have to do is just disconnect it. Get yourself another 9-volt battery, connect it back. Stick it in. Then take your cover, push it flat at the bottom, and push up. And that's all there is to it. If this is something that you don't want to deal with, or if you have any other problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.